TrickLife.com.
Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Mozilla.com and get Firefox. Firefox is free. It's a different internet browser. It's like Opera or Internet Explorer. I prefer it over the three. Okay, once you have that downloaded, you're going to want to go to New Firefox Add-ons. Once you have that, you're going to want to go to Extensions, and then you're going to want to go up to here. You're going to want to search for a extension called Grease Monkey. Okay, it's right here. Click it, and then you can read this if you want. It allows you to customize the way a web page displays using small bits of JavaScript. And you really don't need to understand all of this. It's really simple. Just click Install Now. This will come up. And you click Install, and then you need to restart your Firefox for it to start working. Once you have Grease Monkey up and running, go to userscripts.org. Right there, userscripts.org. Go over here to the search, and you're going to want to search for YouTube. Once you have YouTube, scroll down, look for Download YouTube Video 2. Go ahead and click on that. Okay, we'll bring something that looks up like this. You're going to want to click Install this script. And to make sure that Grease Monkey is working, you can look in the bottom right corner of Firefox, and you can see this little monkey. If he's smiling, that means it's working. If he's looks like that, that means he's not turned on. So you simply right click and click Enable. Okay, so install the script. Once you have that installed, you might want to restart Firefox just to make sure everything's working. Okay, after you go there, you're going to want to go to YouTube, and this little download this video or something similar should appear. And this is a really short video. We'll go ahead and download this video. This is another little extension, the download bar, and it'll be saved to your desktop. So it's here. You can see it's right here. That's it. Get that video. Okay, what you have to do now in order to watch it is you have to go to rename. Go ahead and rename that Jay Leno. And the only thing, you can rename it whatever you want. You just have to make sure that the last four letters and icon symbols are .flv, and it should change and look something like that. Now click on it.
Today they're now opening a Hooters restaurant in Israel.
Okay, and you can watch it here. You can save it, whatever. But okay. But what you can't do is you can't edit it, you can't do much, you can't use Sony Vegas or Windows Movie Maker to add it into any videos of your videos. So now what you gotta do after this is go to download.com. I get a lot of free stuff here. It's a really good website. Okay, I'm gonna search for Super Video Converter. It should be right here, Super Video Converter right there. Just click download now, let it download, and then open it. It may look a little different than this. Mine might not be up to date, but it should be very similar. Select your options, select the output container AVI. It brings up something like this. You're going to want AVI, DV, or MPEG-4. I prefer DV, and then MP3 for the sound. Once you have all that, it says you right here, right click or drag and drop multimedia files. Simply right click, and before you start saving and converting files, you're going to want to specify where you want it saved. So you just click on that. It'll bring up a little save as menu that you're used to seeing, and you can just select where on your computer you want it to be saved. Okay, we'll go here to add multimedia files. Now mine brought it to desktop. Let's say yours looks like this, my computer, something like that. You want to go to over here on my desktop, click that, and it's going to be right here, Jay Leno FLV. We'll open that. And that was just reminding me mine's not up to date. And okay, you see it right here. Click encode active files. And then what it's going to start doing is it's going to start converting it. And this little meter tell you how far, how much is done. Once that's done, it'll send me a little message saying that it's finished. It'll save it to wherever I told it to save it to, and I have a usable YouTube video.
TrickLife.com